Hi everyone, it's me, Famla, and this day we are going to make a food review about the pasalubong that was given to me by my friend who went to Japan last quarter last year. So we have here two varieties. I guess these are chichirya if it's in the Philippines. We have the pink one here. So as you can see, there's a, what you call this one, char. Shrimp. I guess that's a shrimp flavor. Then we have, I don't know what's its name, English name, since I cannot read Japanese. Then we also have the green one, which I opened it a while ago already. Here. Ay, sabahan. Okay, that's it. So we are going to taste first the sabaw. So we are going to taste first the green one since I opened it a while ago. I actually let my husband eat the first one. Okay, here. It's quite long. So we have one. My husband already ate one, then I ate one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pieces all in one pack. So, a while ago... Sorry. So we have here, this is the... How do vloggers do that one? Where they're going to cover the item with... di lagi siya mukuan lagi. So we have here a little bit far. So that's it. It's circular. It's somewhat like chicharon. Its physical appearance. Then there's something inside. I guess it's covered with this brown, and there is something inside pa, this white one. So let's try to bite it. See? It's white at the center. I don't know if you can see it properly. It tastes like ampaw. It's sweet, then salty. Pwede siya masudan. It's somewhat similar to uwishi. Unsa gunahan tawagan na? Karang uwishi nga shrimp? Uwishi nga shrimp gani. It's actually yummy. This one. Second bite already. It's yummy. That is the green one. So the green one is somewhat similar to parang manghuan, but then it's not wa siya vinegar, di siya aslom, pero it's a bit salty, pero okay lang yung pagka-salty. Charot! And then, right now we are going to taste the second one, which I believe is shrimp flavor because of the shrimp, the picture of the shrimp here. I don't know what its name. It has 24 at the top. I really don't know what's its name. Okay, let's try. So it's here. We're opening it now. So if I'm going to smell it, it really smells shrimp. Same with the green one. It also has its karisiya. Ooh! But then it's smaller and more plenty than the other one. Ooh! I'm just going to return it because I'm not going to eat everything right now. Okay, so here. So for the physical one, we have here. See? More siya gustiyas karang gamay nga gustiyas. I don't know if you can clearly see. Charot! Pakon-kuan sa kamot. Murag vlogger gyud. Oh, here. Hindi ko kayo pa saon siya para makita jud siya clearly. Di good siya. Okay. That's the front one. Then at the back, it's sabon. Uy. Okay. The smell is really shrimp. Siyang pansat. Na naluto na. Shrimp ka naluto na. Let's taste. Mas siya mo mas lasa sa uwishi nga. Masabahan! Saba pa kayo kay nag-grill siya. So, let's continue it a little bit later. Okay. So, my husband is done drilling already. Let's continue. So, I ate already 2. Then, I realized na karisiyang brown is the ones that gave it a flavor. Sabon, uy.
Gutom na.
Uy. That gave its flavor. Or that it's giving its flavor. Sakto ba? Okay. Then, if you're going to eat it, it's some kind na siya yung mga sabahan. Uy. Na siya yung mga green leafy vegetables something. So, it's like na siya scallions. Chopped scallions. Charot! Chopped scallions. Then, kani siyang brown. It's actually reddish in person. It's the ones that gives its umami taste. Char. So, we're going to eat it one. Really. Kung ito din siyang brown, may naghatag niya og taste. Huy, ako biyaning ikuan! Huy, ako ning ayuhan! Kaya ako ning ikuan! I-publish na ko sa YouTube. Kaya asa, oh. And tell me, what can you say? Char? So, kung wala ni siya ang brown, basically, plain ra gyud siya ang taste aning white. It's nice. Di mo ganahan og if di mo ganahan og medyo tasty, this one is tasty. Here. This one is very tasty. Ang kani siya, okay lang yun ihang lasa. Di siya kaayo ingon nga parat-parat. Kay, na may uban good nga, pas ani nga dat lang yun siya. So, gamay sa siya og flavor. So, that's it for today. We have 2 food, Japanese chicheria. That was given to me. Thanks, Liling, Judy Quinzon, for these. We have here the green one and the pink one. Ano sa'yo pas ganahan ni mo?
What?
Ako. Pita, goodbye!